welcome back. In today's video I will showcase you our current setup for all my birds and the future plan of Blanche Farm AB. Stay tuned and just watch. Thanks. So the first one are the turkeys. They used to be small. They used to be like this big, and now they're so huge. So turkeys, are they fun? Well, I would say I had fun. They're great. They're big birds. I love to actually like grab them and pet them like a cat. But the sad part, they poop a lot. Oh my god. They're like little machine of like pooping. They poop everywhere. And if you look at their pen, there's like mountain everywhere of poop. Oh my god. They're coming. I told you. This year, the turkeys are here in the duck pen. They play along with the ducks. But next year, they will be moved in the long tunnel, which is right there. I built it to actually keep the exotic birds. I was supposed to buy a netting at the top and close everything, but I changed my mind and I'll put the turkeys here. As you can see, they're getting prepared for next year. So next one in the barn are the ducks. The little ducks. So these are the ducks. We currently got 11, and I can guarantee everyone I will not buy more ducks. I will probably butcher the big one for meat, but I'm not keeping ducks. They are extremely messy and it's really not fun. So ducks are fun because they're small, they're cute, they're really cute. And I got the other one here. That's the female mandarin. And the three ducks are hiding in the corner right there. So when you put water and ducks and dirt equals lots of mud. Name it, it was muddy everywhere. The best thing I ever did was adding a pea gravel flooring instead of keeping the dirt, because now they can play in the water and there's no mud nowhere, which is great. So next year the ducks will have their own pen because I'm moving the turkey in the long tunnel right beside. So the ducks will be probably happier because they won't have to be pecked by the turkeys, because the turkeys, every time I put the feed here, the turkeys always like fight with the ducks. Note to self, before opening the door to let your duck out, make sure that their wings are clipped, otherwise you might look like me and run around the acreage for hours trying to catch 2 ducks. Lots of fun. And lastly, our chickens. So this is the chicken coop currently in the barn, but next year we're upgrading to almost 100 chickens, and these little girls will be moving in the brand new coop house. So inside the coop there's currently 4 nesting boxes, but as you can see, no eggs, no eggs, no eggs. And yeah, they're all fighting for the bottom corner one. Not sure why, but that's the one they like. So the reason why we're upgrading, it's because we have a huge demand for fresh eggs on the base, and we cannot truly meet the demand because everyone wants fresh eggs. It's crazy because I cannot even keep 1 dozen for myself. They're already all sold. So we're upgrading to like having more chickens. And honestly, I don't mind chickens because they're friendly, they're fun to have, and you can actually like pet them like a cat or a dog. And yeah, I like it. It's fun. So after thinking about it, the new chicken coop house is gonna go right there. So this spring, the horse shelter is moving out, and just behind, we're gonna build a huge tunnel for the chicken to play outside. More to follow on this one this spring. Hey, thanks for watching. In the upcoming video, I will discuss my hogs. Stay tuned for the next one. Thumbs up, likes, and subscribe. Thanks.